All right, today we are gonna make a some ramps and some stuff, some slides that we're gonna use for an upcoming assignment. Your SketchUp Pro your SketchUp might look slightly different than mine, but that's okay. So I'm gonna start by making a floor. It doesn't really matter how big it is. I'm gonna make mine 100 feet by 100 feet. Bam, and I'm just gonna make it go down slightly. Bam, and then I'm gonna select it all. So I'm gonna go in and I can triple click on it, or I can select it all by using the slider. So I can either go like this to select it all. Bam. Oh, I didn't have it in. There we go. Bam, I selected it all. Oh, I can triple click on it. Click, click, click. Once I have it, make it a group. Sweet. So now I'm gonna start making the first stairway. So I'm gonna make a rectangle. The size doesn't really matter because you can always come in later on and use the scale tool to scale it. So I make a rectangle, I pull it up, bam. I am gonna take the pencil tool and I'm just gonna make stairs on it, bam, bam, green, blue, bam, 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 blue, bam, 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 bam. Okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna push it in. So I take my push tool, bam. So now I have a stairway. I'm gonna put my name on it. All my tools are in different places than yours. So I'll go StarGuard. StarGuard enter text, no. And 5 inches, I'm gonna make 1 foot tall. I have really no idea how tall that is, but let's see. Perfect, bam. Now I'm gonna select it, bam. Gonna make it a group. Okay, so now I have a stairway. Sweet. Okay, I can push that off to the side. Bam. Okay, variations on stairways are slides. So I'm gonna come in now and I'm gonna make in either side. Should I? Yeah, why not? No, I'll make 2 of them. Bam. So pull this guy up. Bam. And then I'm gonna select it. Bam. And I'm just gonna move a copy out. Move tool, control key one time. Move a copy out. Bam. Now I'm gonna make some ramps. I'm gonna make some different variations of ramps. Let me take copy. I'll move it this way up. I can't. I won't do anything. Hold on. Can I move it this way out? Yeah, bam. Good. Move it a little bit further away. Bam. Okay, so now I have 3 of these guys. I'm gonna do 3 different kinds of ramps. So I go in. The first one, bam, bam, bam. So kind of a wedge. Push it in. Bam. Next one, I'm gonna make a slider. So I'm gonna use a 2-point arc on it. Let's go in and see my arc, 2-point arc. Where should we go from the bottom? Why not? I could go a little bit. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. You could do it from the bottom. Doesn't really matter. Touch the end. Bam. And now make sure it says on face when you have it. Okay, so I want it maybe right here. So it's gonna, bam. Now I come in and so see that's a little dip on it. You don't have to have the dip. I could have gone not as steep on it and it wouldn't have had the dip. Now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna push this guy in, bam. So now I have 2 shapes. Put your name on them, 3D tool, tools. Let me see if I can find it. 3D tool, StarGuard. Bam. Okay, again, 3D tool. So I do tools, 3D tools, enter text, StarGuard. Bam, bam. So now I go in and I make this guy, bam, make it a group. This guy, bam, make it a group. Okay, now we're going to go to the last one. So go in and move. Important to make these noises when you do it. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to make this guy pretty skinny. Good. Gonna come in and I'm gonna make an arc on it again. I have never used a 3-point arc. I don't even know what it is. So let's see if we can do it. It may or may not. Ah, that won't work. Escape. Let's use the 2-point arc. 2-point arc. Okay, so I go in, click here, bam. And this guy, see, like when I go down, I have in the end I have an up. So if I go like this, bam. Now I'm gonna push it in. Whoa, Houston, we have a problem. So this guy did not get split. So I'm going to take my eraser and erase this line, and we're going to try it again. Let's go in and pick my 2-point arc. On edge, bam. Tangent to edge, I want to see on edge. I don't know if this is going to work out. Green axis on face. Good. Let's see if it works. It works. Bam. Okay, so now, check it out. I'm going to put my name on it. Tools. 3D text. Starguard. Bam. Bam. Make it a group. Bam. Bam. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Make group. Bam. And then I'm going to move a copy of it back. So I'm going to take this guy. Bam. Control one time. Green axis. Okay, it's 5 feet so far. I'm going to move it 2 feet. Bam. Like that. Sweet. Good. So I have straight ramp, curved ramp, double ramp, stairway. So the last thing I'm going to make is I'm going to make a double stairway. Ooh, yeah, a nice stairway. Okay, look. So I take this guy. I'm going to move it up. Bam. I'm going to go in. I'm going to draw the stairway on it. Let's go in and move so I can see it. Grab my pencil tool. I'm going to go a little bit up. Let's see if I'm down or up. Why not? Right here. Bam. Bam. Blue. Bam. Red. Bam. Blue. It's having some issue finding the blue. Bam. Red. Blue. Red. Come on. Find it. Blue. Good. Red. Blue. Good. Now I have that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Bam. Bam. Blue axis. Find my blue axis. Good. Find the blue axis. Bam. So now I'm going to select this guy. Can I select all of it? No. Okay, I can't select that. I was hoping to select it. Maybe I can. I'm going to go shift, 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 shift. I'm holding the shift key so I can add it to my selection. Bam. I'm going to do the same. This line, 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 this line. Whoa, whoa, not that guy. that guy. I'm trying to get rid of this. I can't. I'm going to have to deselect. I have to try it again. We messed up. Very hard. Very, very hard. Bam. I'm going to do the same on this guy. Bam. Then I'm going to use the offset tool. Look at that. Offset. I'm going to offset it in. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and in the corner down here, I'm going to go down. Oh, I messed up. It's going to be a long first step. Should have done it differently, but oh well. Okay, I'm going to erase this guy. Bam. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to make a step down and I'm going to erase this guy. Bam. Now I'm going to push in. Bam. 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 Make group. Sweet. Okay, so stairway, stairway, ramp, ramp, ramp. Okay, the next thing, we just gotta get used to making some dumps. Should we this be enough? Let's see how much we have. Yeah, why not? Ramps. See if I can find where we end this. Stop sharing.